What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to update your Apple Watch to the latest software update, WatchOS 6.1.3. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so in order to get to the software update, let's go ahead and go to your iPhone and go to the Apple Watch app. Looks just like this. And as you see, there's something pending, so I'm just going to select it. Checking for update. Okay, so as you can see, I have a pending update. It's 54 megabytes. And let's see. This update includes improvements and bug fixes, including a fix for an issue that prevented the irregular heart rhythm notification from working as expected for Apple Watch owners in Iceland. So, yeah, that's pretty much what this update is for. For more information, you can also click this link right here. So let's go ahead and do that and go to Apple support and scroll down to the security update. Let's see. All right, so for WatchOS 6.1.3, as you can see, this update has no published CVE entries. Usually when they have something else on the update, it'll be like a hyperlink like that, and you'll be able to click it and see more. But they haven't made any entries yet for this one. So, yeah, guys, that's pretty much all the information I have on it. And let's go ahead and start the update. So what you want to do, you want to make sure your Apple Watch is on the charger and at least 50% charged. You also want to make sure the Wi-Fi is on. Swipe up. Wi-Fi is on, 73% charged. Okay, so let's go back to the update. And let's go ahead and install. My battery is low on my iPhone, so I have that plugged in as well. So, install. Passcode. Okay, it's verifying. So once it's done verifying, then it's going to go ahead and download the install. And then once it downloads, then it's going to install it. So, it actually was a pretty small security update. Like, the software update didn't look too big. As I said before, it was 54 megabytes, so that shouldn't take long at all. So I'm just going to wait for it to go ahead and start. So as you can see, it has started installing, and my Apple Watch is now going through the booting process, and the software update has commenced. Okay, guys, look at that. It is done. WatchOS 6.1.3. Your software is up to date. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.